Hi, I'm Ritika and I'm currently pursuing MSc in Psychology from Hertfordshire University. My 6 months experience was quite overwhelming. I got to learn a lot of things which I was never knew that ever existed. Like the teaching pattern was quite difficult. So I thought that when I went there, I do face difficulties, but they were being overpowered and I got to learn and meet new people. A lot of things came and changed. I think the major challenge that I faced during these 6 months was for the first one was the academic issues, because I think that coming from a country like India, we have a different kind of culture intact with the education system, and their education system is quite more practical and a bit more different. So for in the initial start, I do faced a little bit of problem, but then slowly that challenge was overpowered because I took the help of my program leaders that supported me with different good things. I can just give a great suggestion that whichever course that you're planning to take, first you should know that what are the modules and are you consider yourself capable enough, because there are times when we go through with some things, like maybe for me, if I take my example, I do face issues with mathematics. So I try to overcome that fear and see that whether that module has too much of mathematics or that is something which I can do. And if you enroll and you get into the college, then you can actually take the help of your program leaders and your lecturers as well, because they are quite helpful. I think the Transglobal is one of the associations that I've come across with that has helped me throughout the entire procedure of my admission. I never had to call them again and again to know my application, and even I did my eyes from here, so I know that they have a cooperative staff, and I never faced issues about complaining that they have not done something or they have just misguided me with something. So I think that this is a good place to work with.